All righty.
Okay, thank you.
All right.
Happy holiday.
All right.
It is Dr. King holiday. It was a freebie day.
Man, freebie day.
Free.
Bitchy.
Put your money in your pocket.
Don't want to be tripping off no money. Oh, you got the power.
Don't move a muscle. Clean, drain, and dry your equipment. No, you don't have to pay to play today.
Chilling, kick back, man. Quiet.
Woo! Woo! Woohoo! Yahoo.com. It's a beach over here. It's the Boulder Beach. I can see the palm trees.
Niggas right here. Niggas don't even go come around here. All this motherfucking tranquility, man. Look at all that prettiness, readiness, ableness.
Oh my goodness, look at those campers down there. Freebie day, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. That's awesome. Holiday weekend. Dr. King holiday weekend. Oh, they camped out. They done pulled out. Oh, they living down there. Oh my goodness. Yes, sir. Oh, that's beautiful. Boulder Beach. Who said it wasn't no beach in the desert? Oh, picnic areas and the beaches to the right, to the left, to the right, to the left.
Now dip, baby, dip, come on and dip, baby, dip. Always go right. In the fucking the road. When you going through the things that you already know, you make it right. You ain't wrong, man. You make it right, dog. Don't go wrong, dog. You know I make
No
it right.
littering.
That means you 5,000. I want 5 racks if you deliver. If you fuck around the devil, or make it deliver, or even get sliver, nigga. I'm do you, nigga. I'ma do you, nigga. I'ma do you, drink. I'ma do you. Shore fishing.
God. Look at that sailboat out there. Oh, look at down there. They go down there. That's a whole lot going on there. Oh, that was a camp. Oh, that's